Hi, I'm Dave with LED Lighting Supply. In this video we're looking at a couple of fixtures that we may recommend for night skiing for ski slopes. So if you have existing lights already up, you can give us those locations and those heights and maybe like a snippet of the mountain and where you have stuff positioned. And we can actually have our lighting design team run a layout to show what our fixtures would do in place of those. If it's new construction, if you're putting up new poles, that's fine as well. Send us, the heights and how many you're looking to put on each pole, and we can figure it out as well. But these fixtures are all IP65 rated. They're ready for harsh conditions, high winds, freezing temperatures. So reach out to us. Typically, outdoor lighting plans we get back in 2 to 3 days. We can point you in the right direction and provide a quote. Thanks.